So, just tell me when to stop. Do it. That's alright there, okay? Look at that. Remember the card. Memorize it. Okay? Just really slowly, okay? Put it down. Do that. Do this. Then do that. You're fine. I'm gonna try and find your card. Alright. The ace. This one. So guys, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to read minds. A super simple card trick, but easily then get loads of reactions and pretty good reactions. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do for this trick is to remember your key card. Now the key card is going to be the bottom card, which is the ace of clubs. Remember throughout the entire trick is remember this card. Basically, you say to the spectator, pick any card you want. For example, they pick the ace, the two of clubs, right? Yeah. The two of clubs. You put this on the top of the card, on top of the deck. Then put your key card. Exactly. Key card, which was the ace of clubs, on top of the spectator's chosen card. Then you go look through the card, and you will find it. See, ace of clubs and the two of clubs. Once you found your key card, you can simply say next to it is their card that they've chosen. Okay? And that's how you read their minds. See you next time.